So ngayong araw guys, morning gym tayo kasi may trabaho pa tayo mamaya alauna. And ang workout natin ngayon is chest and tricep. So samahan niyo ako, let's go. So workout tayo guys, let's go. So first workout natin guys, dumbbell press. Ganun lang ulit, 3 set and 12 repetition. So let's go. 1, 2, 4, 8, 12. Oh. Second set. 1, 12. So third set tayo guys. Last set. 1, 3, 7, 11, 12. Ay! So next workout natin guys, upper chest. Ganun lang ulit, 3 set and 12 rotation. Kabilaan to, kaliwat kanan. So let's go. 1, 2, 12. So kanan naman. 1, 2, 3, 12. Second set guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 12. Last set na. So, patapos na tayo sa workout na to. 1, 2. Kanan naman. 1, 2, 12. So, next workout tayo guys. Ganun lang ulit, 3 set and 12 repetition. Let's go. 1, 3, 6, 10, 12. Whew. Second set guys. 1, 2, 3, 12. Last set guys. Patapos na tayo. Let's go. 1, 4, 8, 12. Whew. So, tricep workout naman tayo guys. Ganun lang ulit. 3 set and 12 repetition. So, let's go. Kabila naman. Second set guys. 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 4, 8, 12. Whew. Last set na guys, tapos next workout na tayo. Ay. Whew. So next workout tayo guys. Ganun lang ulit, 3 set and 12 repetition. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Whew. Second set guys. 1, 2, 4, 7, 9, 12. So last set guys, patapos na tayo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12. So tapos na yung workout natin. Mag-cool down na lang tayo. Tapos pahinga, uwi na. Let's go. So siguro dito na din tatapusin yung vlog guys. So goodbye. Peace.